हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जीके अपडेट विद उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर लें, जिससे आपको हमारे अपकमिंग वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। तो आज के वीडियो में हम एसएससी में पूछे गए बायोलॉजी के टॉप 35 मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज गो थ्रू करेंगे, जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है। वीडियो के लास्ट में क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे रहता है, जिसका आंसर आपको कमेंट करके बताना होता है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। हाउ कैन द एज ऑफ अ ट्री बी डिटरमाइंड? सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज बाय काउंटिंग एनुअल रिंग्स। Second question, which of the following cell organelle is made of ribosomal RNA and proteins? And the answer is ribosome. Third question, which of the following is found only in plant cells? And the correct answer is cell wall. Fourth question, what is the outermost covering of plant cells called? And the correct answer is cell wall. Fifth question, what is the jelly-like substance present between the nucleus and the cell membrane called? And the correct answer is cytoplasm. Sixth question, which cell organelle is known as suicidal bag and help in intercellular digestion? And the correct answer is lysosome. Seventh question, what is the cultivation of high value crops like vegetables, fruits and flowers called? And the correct answer is horticulture. Eighth question, what is the study of cells called? And the correct answer is cytology. Ninth question, which of the following terms best describes the biological study of animal behavior? And the correct answer is ethology. 10th question, oncology is the branch of medicine related to the treatment of which disease? And the correct answer is cancer. 11th question, which of the following animals does not have a backbone? And the correct answer is spider. 12th question, how many chambers are there in the heart of a fish? And the correct answer is 2. 13th question, which of the following organism breathes through its skin? And the correct answer is frog. 14th question, which of the following is an example of angiosperms in the plant kingdom? And the correct answer is tomato. 15th question, the instrument used to examine a person's digestive tract is called? And the answer is endoscope. 16th question, what color will pH paper turn when dipped in gastric juice? And the correct answer is red. 17th question, a normal adult human produces dash ml of urine per day? And the correct answer is 1000 to 2000. 18th question, which part of the human brain controls the involuntary action of vomiting? And the correct answer is hindbrain. 19th question, in which part of the neuron is information received? And the correct answer is dendrites. 20th question, how many spinal nerves are there in the human body? And the correct answer is 31 pairs. 21st question, which part of the human brain is responsible for storing thoughts? And the correct answer is forebrain. 22nd question, which part of the human brain is responsible for intelligence, memory and emotions? And the correct answer is cerebrum. 23rd question. What is the minimum distance for clear vision for a normal eye? And the correct answer is 25 centimeter. 24th question. How many muscles are used to control the eyeball? And the correct answer is 6. 25th question. What is the weight of the human brain in grams? And the correct answer is 1200 to 1400 grams. 26th question. Which of the following diseases causes liver inflammation? And the correct answer is hepatitis. 27th question. Which is the hardest substance present in the human body? And the correct answer is tooth enamel. 28th question. Which is the only muscle in the human body that is not attached at both ends? And the correct answer is tongue. 29th question. In humans, the tissues that connects muscles to bones is called? And the correct answer is tendon. 30th question. Muscle fatigue is caused by the accumulation of? And the correct answer is lactic acid. 31st question. In the human body, the vertebrate is part of the? And the correct answer is backbone. 32nd question. At joints, the surface of bones is softened by? And the correct answer is cartilage. 33rd question. The part of the muscle that contracts to produce contraction is called? And the correct answer is actin. 34th question. Which blood type is a universal donor? And the correct answer is O negative. And the last 35th question. In which organism is hemoglobin dissolved in plasma? And the answer is earthworm. तो ये थे एसएससी में पूछे गए बायोलॉजी के टॉप 35 मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स। और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे पे। तो आज का क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग प्रोड्यूसेस एंटीबॉडीज इन ब्लड प्लाज्मा। तो इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपको आंसर करना है कमेंट सेक्शन में।